Ready to supercharge your project management by bringing the power of AI directly into your Basecamp 3 workspace? First, let's understand what we're aiming for. Imagine ChatGPT seamlessly summarizing lengthy discussion threads, automatically drafting initial project plans, or even answering quick client questions within Basecamp. While a direct, official integration doesn't exist yet, we can use workarounds. The most common method involves using integration platforms like Zapier, or make these platforms act as bridges, connecting Basecamp 3 to ChatGPT through their respective APIs. Alternatively, if you have coding knowledge, you can develop a custom API integration. Let's explore the Zapier option. Sign into your Zapier account and create a new Zap. Select Basecamp 3. Your trigger. A common trigger is a new message posted in a specific project. Configure the trigger to target the desired Basecamp project. Next, choose ChatGPT as the action. You'll need to connect your OpenAI account to Zapier in the action setup. The crucial step is crafting your prompt. This tells ChatGPT what to do with the message from Basecamp. For example, you might tell it to summarize the message or identify key action items. Finally, configure a second Basecamp 3 action step to post chat's response back into Basecamp. You can post the response as a new comment in the original thread, create a new to-do, or update the project schedule, tailoring it to your specific needs. With these connections configured, you've now successfully integrated ChatGPT with Basecamp 3. This opens doors to streamlining your workflows and leveraging AI for enhanced project collaboration, potentially saving you time and improving communication. Remember to experiment with different prompts and triggers to maximize the effectiveness of your AI assistant.